Metro, a word that has lingered on everyone's lips for years now. Not for its promise of seamless journeys, but for delays, destruction, and disruption.
Join us to hear from those most affected as they reveal if the promise of progress has truly been worth the cost.
Hi, are you aware about the metro controversy?
No,
No.
नहीं पता है.
So, are you aware about the recent metro controversy?
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on it?
I think it's a typical display of like infrastructure development where a lot of investment comes in and that attracts a lot of attention because of how much money it is. So politicians will deliberately extend it so that they can reap off of that investment.
So, as you know, a minister had put up that it was going to open, but that didn't end up happening. So, what do you think about this misinformation that was spread?
I'm not being a part of any controversy, but yeah, the minister said that he will start and it's not starting, so it's his fault.
आई थिंक वो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिक ने ही क्रिएट किया और पब्लिक को ही उसका बैकलैश मिला. सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कर्मा.
I feel if that was not going to happen, he should have made it clear before only, because see, if you announce such news, so people really put their hopes up that something that big sort of things coming, because it's covering lots of area and gonna benefit a lot of people.
Do you think the metro fares of the tickets are very reasonable enough even for the economically backward classes?
I feel for the service and the distance which they are providing, it is good, but maybe for the people who are economically backwards, not that good for them.
For people, under that poverty line, it's very expensive. It's way too expensive for them. They should limit that charges actually.
I think they're not.
It is economical, but we are sacrificing something much more important for us, for the future generations.
Construction of metro has been going on for a very long time. So, how do you think that has affected everything else?
So actually, if we're looking at like traditional infrastructure like roads and everything, there's not been much like good development over there.
प्रॉब्लम तो होगा यार. वहाँ पे वो एमपीएल वाले खोलते हैं तो ये तो होता नहीं.
I feel for it's a long-term investment. So if you look somewhere for the far-sightedness, it is better.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.